Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll explore how to add shapes, icons, and product images to your XDRAW editor page. Start by logging into your XTEN-AV account and opening the XDRAW editor page. On the left side of the editor page, you will find different options for adding shapes, icons, product images, and more. Let's start with the product block option, which allows you to add blocks representing products to your design. For example, here's how to add a laptop product block. Next is product images, which enables you to include images of products in your design. Here, I've added an image of the same laptop as the product block. You can illustrate connections by drawing lines between the product image and the block. You also have the option to add symbols using the AVIXA Symbols option. Select symbols from the drop-down to add to your drawing. You can also search for symbols from the X-DRAW symbols below AVIXA Symbols. The Search Shapes option lets you search for the shapes you need. For instance, if you search for Wi-Fi, various Wi-Fi icons will appear for you to choose from. Remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top of the page. To download your design, go to the File option and select the Export as button. You can download in formats such as PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, Visio, AutoCAD, and more. That covers adding shapes, icons, and images in XDRAW. For more tutorials, visit XTEN-AV.com.